Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm finding the answers to like the first number that comes in the equation. It's a bit like, 2 plus 2 is 4. But like we don't have the first number, so we can't properly solve the equation without the first number. So now we gotta do so question 1 right here. 38.4 of 60. Something of 60 equals 38.4. Now, I have a calculator here. So we do 38.4 divided by 60 times 100, which you get the answer of 64, which is the correct answer.
And it's a percent.
Yeah, so you do the percent sign.
Because you've already got the...
64% of 60 is 68.4.
So which is the part number?
It is the answer. The answer is the part number.
Do you want to underline that? The answer is the part number.
That's the part. That's the whole.
Yeah, so you get the part number and you divide it by the whole number, and then you times that by 100, and that's how you get your percentage, isn't it?
Now, question 2. 1.84 divided by 2 times 100. I'll really write it down here as well.
Yeah, do you want to show the process of how you do that?
Times 2. No.
Good.
Break one single. That's meant to be divided.
Yeah.
As just that's the divided sign, okay? Not times.
Okay.
Times 100. We times it by 100 because if we don't, we won't get the correct answer. So 1.84 divided by 2 times 100 is 92.
Okay, and the of sign, I think can be thought of as like a times, is it? Times 100. But we won't complicate the issue, we'll stick to what we're doing.
You have to do a percent sign because it's the percent.
Yeah, you're finding the percent. Whereas with the other sheet, you already had the percent, didn't you?
This is 17. This answer here is 17.
Okay.
17%. You have to do a percent symbol because it's the percent.
And how did you work that out? Can you show me?
So, 1.02 divided by 6 times 100, and you get 17.
Okay.
Now 60 something of 80 is 60.
Okay.
So you do 60 divided by
Can you write
80
that down? 60
times 100, which is 75.
Okay. Can you write that down though for people who might get confused about the above calculation?
Yeah.
So it looks like a division.
These are separate.
So you start with what, 60 as the
You do
part
60
number.
divided by 80 times 100
equals your percent. Okay.
Now question 5. 5.84. Now, I think I think you'll understand this by now, that you divide the answer by the whole. Well, by the only other printed out number. if you have it like on a printout. You divide the answer by the whole. And you get your answer of 73%.
Okay. So your whole number is the answer. Your part number is the whole number, and the percentage is what you try to find, isn't it?
Now, let's just skip a few questions to this really easy one. Question 9. Now, want to know why this is easy? So, it is 0.93 divided by 1. When you divide something by 1, it can't be divided. It will just remain with the same amount of value. So you just go times it by 100, which will be 93. Because when you times something by 100, you move it 2 spaces to the left, which will be 93%.
Or 1 space to the left.
No, it's 2.
It's 0.93.
Yeah.
So you just get rid of the 0.
Because it will be 0.9 if we moved it, like, 1 space. 0.93. Or 9.3 if we moved it 1 space. To the left. If we moved it 1 space, it would be 9.3.
After the 0, there's 1 point. We just get rid of the 0.
Yeah, you get rid of the 0 and the point, and that's the answer.
But we don't move it 2 places because it's not.
No, we do. Because when you times something by 10, that's 1 to the left. But when it's by 100, it's 2 to the left. Like I can show you on the calculator. Okay, let me just open your phone real quick.
Even though we've got a calculator.
Yep.
Phone because it's clearer. Do you want to bring it down this way?
93 times 10 is 900 and... Wait, I did 93. I meant to do 0.93 times 10. 9.3. But when you do it by 100, you get 93.
But if you work it out how you've worked all these other ones out, and you do, you do 0.93 divided by 1 times 100.
You still get 93.
Exactly. And so there's only 1 decimal place after the 0, and you just get rid of it. Because you don't
but
move
if you do it by
10. You don't move it 2 decimal places.
Yes, you do. Because if you do it by 10, you get 9.3. You don't get 93.
There's not... You're only moving it 1.
No, you're moving it 2.
How do you work that out?
Let me go into an exaggerated workout with this, okay? So, 0.93. Now, moving it 1 space to the left. 9.3. That's 1 to the left.
Oh, I see what your method is.
Yeah, that's 1 to the left. But 2 to the left would be 93.
Right, I get you.
That's why it's
working there.
That's why it's not times 10, it's times 100. Now 17.6. I'm gonna grab the calculator I have over here. So 17.6 divided by 40 times 100. It's question 10. I'll circle the number. That will give you 44%. Yeah. Because you have to divide the part by the whole, and that's how you get your main number that is needed to fully solve the equation. Now, question 8.
Do you want to put the calculator flat so you can see the calculator?
Divided by 6 times 100. That's what you do for it. And you get that answer of 38.
Well done. 38 what?
Percent.
Yep, because that's what it's asking for, isn't it?
Yep.
Because you've already got the whole number and part
Question
number.
6 over here, where I just circled. No.
Oh my gosh. This is a dodgy one, this is.
5.28
If you put it all together.
divided by 8 times 100. 66.
Yep, all the sixes.
No, it's
Sort of.
66.
I know, but it's number 6 and it's 2 sixes.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what I'm on about.
Seriously?
Yeah. Ha.
You didn't need to bring that up in the math video.
So, well done.
4.8 times... No. 4.8...
Oh, you've got one left.
Divided by 40 times 100. Now, I'm going to let you put the answer to question 7 in the comments, okay?
Oh, wow, that's good.
I'm not telling you the answer. You can do it in the comments. See you all in another video. Bye!